WPS Office is a free office software that includes Writer, Spreadsheet, Presentation, and PDF, providing a seamless working experience for multiple devices like PC, pad, and phone to achieve high work efficiency anytime and anywhere. Compared with most Office software, WPS Office stands out for requiring less memory and enjoying faster speed. WPS Office supports multiple operating systems such as Mac OS, iOS, Linux, Android, and Windows. Different devices and systems will no longer be the stumbling block for smoother operation and higher work efficiency. Real-time multi-person previewing and editing are available with the help of WPS Office. We can share documents with our teammates online, thus achieving collective tasks and avoiding repeated transmission. Like iCloud synchronizes the information on all your Apple devices, WPS Cloud serves the same function with the same account. To realize the operation, we need to log in with the same account. Even switching to another device, like a phone, pad, and computer, continuing to edit the previous document is achievable. In addition to WPS Cloud, we also support other cloud services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive. Bombarded with various types of documents at work, we may waste most of the time on formatting and typesetting. WPS Office provides us with massive template resources, meeting almost all requirements needed in working. Of course, WPS Office goes beyond the mentioned features. Welcome to WPS Academy for further information.